Homeowners benefit from the privacy, energy savings, and improved security that glass block windows provide. The 8500 Glass Block Mortar is an efficient and flexible way to install your glass blocks. The 8500 provides a permanent bond and is weather resistant. It has a smoother finish and resists cracking. The 8500 Glass Block Mortar can be used for interior and exterior applications. Surface preparation. Clean all surfaces that will be in contact with mortar. Surfaces must be free of dust, dirt, oil, grease and any contaminants. Before applying, check all the necessary tools available at the site. Follow the instructions of glass block manufacturers regarding anchors, spacers, expansion joints, reinforcements, and wall ties. Place water in a clean mixing pail. Add LATICRETE glass block mortar and mix by hand or with a low speed, 150 revolutions per minute. Drill to a stiff, non-slump consistency. Approximately 3.2 to 3.4 liters of liquid mixed with 20 kilograms of powder. Allow slacking for 5 to 10 minutes. Remix and apply as normal mortar. Place a full bed of mortar on the base or sill. Do not cut the bottom. Set the first course of glass blocks and tap them into place with a rubber mallet or trowel. Apply a full bed of mortar to the head joints on each block as they are placed. Set each course of glass block in a full mortar bed. Rake or tool joints to a uniform appearance when the mortar is firm. Remove all excess mortar from the surface of glass blocks by using a damp sponge or cheesecloth before the mortar hardens. Allow the mortar to cure and settle into the glass block for 24 to 48 hours.